They don't ever stop. I can only turn left now. I have to do it for longer. Oh god, I'm so lost.
Cover your face.
No, I never go. Thank God. Where are the people at?
It's because you need more revs. Did you know you were past the
I actually lost the thing, didn't I? Damn it! So many circles.
Oh, you love it. You love the whistle that much. Oh, please.
It's actually quite satisfying now. Awesome. This is rude, is it? No. Get past that guy. Here you go. Oh no, I can't go here either. What the fuck is this road doing? Oh, we'd have to go to a big circle and get there, like.
It's good that you've got good whistle control.
Oh, maybe it's here. Is it here? I don't really know. That's not the road either. The fuck am I? Where actually am I? I'm so lost.
How is that supposed to sound like a turbo, really?
You bought it from China. That's probably what a turbo sounds like from China. Where the fuck am I going? Shut up, you!
Why didn't you go back? So actually, the more revs you have,
Oh,
the
this
more
isn't
whistle-
that set. I'm confused. I'm just stuck driving this car with the whistle forever. Damn it, Liam!
Can you accelerate and just lots of revs?
It's like a firework. Good God.
So it's all about the revs.
Oh God, I'm gonna have to go back past that guy. Are you judging me? Oh, if I find him again.
You've been judged twice.
I'm looking forward to this. If he's still there.
Oh, Tom's such a good sport.
Oh, it's gone. Disappointing.
He probably died of laughter.
Driving this car as well. So, well,
Maybe-
of course, this is exactly what you do with a brand new Ford.
Maybe that's if you're a bystander and you hear that sound going past you, it sounds like a turbo.
I'm pretty sure it just sounds like a firework, or the noise a pig makes when you poke it.
It does sound like it squeals.
It almost sounds like I was going fast and it kind of, my car's about to fall apart way. Yes, speed. It's when someone just looks out of the restaurant. Yes. Freedom. Thanks God, freedom.
sounds like. You know when you got a whistle in your nose?
Oh, dear God. Oh, that was fun.
Yeah, thank you for very much entertainment.